Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to a 1-minute tutorial of how to build a simple working car in Minecraft. This is so easy, you can do it in less than 60 seconds. Check it out. Okay, so go ahead and place an observer facing towards you. And after that, do a sticky piston, followed by 3 honey blocks. Turn around, do 1 more observer, a standard piston, 3 more honey blocks. Then over here, do 3 on top like this, and 3 in front like this. Grab your wheels. I'm using black concrete, so I'm going to do there and there. There's the front of the car. And then you can come to the back, and at the back you want to do 3 more of these yellow sticky things, like so. And 2 more black concrete, like that. Then come up here and go ahead and add the back of the car, like so. Delete these 2 right here. And then you basically have it. Break this and replace it real quick. You gotta be fast. And you're good to go. Now you can ride on your car all the way around town. Really easy, 60 seconds, and it's done.